Today we're gonna play Play-Doh Touch. Yeah, we're gonna play Play-Doh Touch today. So it's a wonderful world, super wonderful. Okay. Make your picture with Play-Doh modeling compound and put it in a white surface. Oh, so it wants me to make a character. Okay. I made Smarty from the last video, so I guess I'm gonna scan him. Okay. So I scan Smarty. Okay, here he is. If you wonder why they make Smarty, I'm not sorry. Because I like Smarty more. I'm sorry. Don't ask why. Okay. Let's see. Okay, what is this? Okay, just wait a second. Okay, so it wanted to scan a tree or something like that. So I scanned this thing, just the brown line with the yellow face. Okay. W's. Okay, what does this thing do? I think we'll go to this thing later, but we have to continue to make the world colorful and beautiful. We gotta make it beautiful, you know. So I just want to know what is this thing. Oh, it makes the trees like the character you're playing with. Okay. Jelly birds. Oh. What are these things? Like these colorful things like behind me? Are these like a piece of clay maybe? Oh, it wants me to make another thing. Okay, so I made what when I was making like BFSI figures, and like I just thought to myself to make the Lopop speedrun from the BFSI characters that I made, but they're old. They're super old, so that's why they look awful. I just decided to put it. Okay. Lopop speedrun's mouth. I think. Okay. And oh, there's another thing like the ghost thing. We're gonna go to these things maybe later. I don't know. Okay. Oop. Whoa. How do I? Okay, just jump. Bounce pad. Okay, let's just make a plant or whatever they call. Okay, so I made the plant. Ah, wait. Okay, that's pretty neat. Okay, so I think they want me. Yes, that was what to do. Okay. Stop it! Stop it! Another one. Okay, nothing. Just these, like, pieces. Like, I'm sorry if, like, the camera is pixely or something. Yeah, I'm sorry if the camera is pixely. Very sorry. So, yeah, okay. Oh, there's a dinosaur guy there too. Okay, just bounce, bounce. Okay, we got another coin thing. Check out this. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do another glide thing. Okay. Yeah. I made a jelly bean. I made a sleeping jelly bean. Oh my god, there's bubbles. Hello, bubble from BVI or whatever. No, oh. So there's a bubble generator here. Okay. This game is like very creative. Like it will make us very happy. Nope, nope. No, there was something up there. Big smarty, big fatty. It's a big fatty smarty. I like the slow motion, like then the box like shakes. Then you know you get another bubble. I wonder if I like can change the double or not. But I don't want to. I just don't feel changing them. They're like very cute. Like walking, a lot of Smarties walking. Like the Master Gang, we're the Smarty Gang. It's very cool, bro. Oh, I went to get the ball from the old lollipop speedrun fields. We're gonna go to it right now. Stop it! Stop it! You know what? These balls are kind of annoying. Oh, wanna eat it? Again? Did I feed this one? Yeah, I think I did. Okay. Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait. What the? Oh. Come on, ball. 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 Ball for better for the aspect of your body. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Go here. But it's something like the ball is taking control. Oh no, the ball. Okay, it's bounced. Bounce. Come, stupid ball. Stupid. Okay, eat it. Oh, give me another box. Okay, now I got only just missing one. Okay, it's another sheep guy. So, oh, it wants us. It needs our help. This world kinda needs our help. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, we made this thing. Oh. Ah, boom. Yeah. I think we got like all the double things. Stop it. So, where's the last one? Yeah, I think it's the last one. Okay, yeah, we're gonna make this thing, yeah. Okay. So, we made probably the last one, I guess. No, it's not. Oh, there's a more. I think I should like make a vote thing. What do you want? Like, do you want me to go to the sheep thing, the ghost, or the octopus, whatever, the jellyfish, the dinosaur, or the sheep, whatever, you know. I guess I've finished it. No, there's. I think there's one on top here. Yeah, here. But how do I get to that? Oh, I think here. Okay. Oh, this is hard, bro. Why do you make this? Like, it's such a creative game. Like, you know, it's a creative game. Very creative game. Oh, no, I got it. Look, there's a punching thing. So, yeah, I gotta make another, thing. Yeah. I'm gonna scan it. Okay. Now scan it. Why are you funny? Okay. I guess that's enough for today's episode. So, see you later. Yeah, see you later. It's not the end of the video yet. I forgot the one clay thing. I forgot something. Only one, like, I forgot one. Okay, we're gonna go there real fast. Please stop it. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this last thing. Okay. So, we made the orange dot. So, yeah, that was very an amazing episode. I hope you guys like the game, and I'll see you next time. Bye.